Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it was the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Metallics in blue charcoal, and it looks like this. This was recommended a while back and I couldn't find it, and I started cruising through the Walmart hair dye aisle a couple weeks ago, and I came across it, so I was like, of course, gotta try it, gotta grab it and give it a go. So while I was reading the box, I always end up reading the box while my hair is processing, and I always end up finding out that like half the hair colors just aren't meant for my hair. But this doesn't say anything if it covers grays or whites. It doesn't say anything like that. It does say that it's not recommended for previously colored hair. I think it did a pretty good job coloring my previously colored hair along with all my whites and roots and stuff. So how long will it last on previously colored hair? I don't know. I don't think it really matters, but I think it's more for like the pop of the color is not meant for previously colored hair. Like if your hair is like virgin hair where it's never been colored before and you're using this color, I think it will pop more. I think that's what they're trying to say, but it definitely covered my faded old hair color. But anyways, that's what the box says. But it does say that it is anti-fading and it's a long-lasting color with metallic shine booster for cool shimmering tones. So that's all you get off the box. So this hair color contains toluene, and if you don't know what that is, it's a chemical that helps process the hair color. And there's two chemicals, PPD and toluene. So some hair colors have PPD, some colors have toluene in it. I will leave a description of each so you can kind of read it, do more research if you want. It's highly recommended, but I haven't said that in a while. So like for anybody that has no idea what it is, I suggest looking it up. It does cause allergic reactions and stuff. And like I've said numerous times, I don't know which one gives me an allergic reaction, because some hair colors that have toluene in it give me a reaction. Some colors that have PPD in it give me a reaction. But it all depends on the brand and what chemicals in it, because I still haven't figured it out. I have irritation with both, and I haven't figured out which one is worse for me. So anyways, I'll stop rambling on. So this has a florally fresh scent, and it starts off florally until you start like rinsing it out, and then it has like a fresh scent, but it's not so overpowering that you need ventilation. It's just kind of like, you know, it's there and it kind of like dissipates, but it's there, but it's not like bam in your face suffocating scent at all. It does stain your countertop, so be careful. Like put extra towels down, get your scrub and bubbles or bleach out. It'll definitely come out after that. It did stain my skin pretty well. You could still kind of see some of the areas that just wouldn't come off. My hands were like blue smurf. I was able to get it off, but I do still have some blue on my hands. It didn't stain my shower, which is a good thing, but it definitely stained my sink and my skin. It took a little extra scrubbing, but I was able to get it off. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, so this color is semi-gentle, meaning like I only had little bouts of irritation. So it didn't bother me at all putting the hair color on, but after it started processing and I was completely done putting the hair color on from root to tip, and I put it up in a clip, and I was sitting down gathering my thoughts on what I think and feel about this hair color. It started to itch. So it would start itching up here, then it would start itching back here, but it wasn't like anything super crazy where it wasn't bearable. So I definitely had some like itchiness in areas, but it would disappear, and then like it was bearable where I was able to last for the full 30 minutes and then wash it out. And I didn't really have any problems after that. So it wasn't too bad. I definitely have gone through a lot worse with some other brands, but this was pretty bearable. And yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say. I have noticed that with this hair color, in certain lighting, I kind of see red. I don't know why, but I did take some pictures in different lightings around my house, like in my dining room and my living room where it's in front of the window. I feel like I'm getting red vibes. Like I'm not seeing much blue unless I'm like in, like I could see the blue here, but then when I like get into direct sunlight, I kind of see more red. So I feel like it's pulling like violet tones, red tones. But it could have just been because it was like 6 o'clock in the morning and the sun was still like rising, so it wasn't like at its full potential. So I don't know if it was that, but I kind of feel like I'm getting some like reddish purpley tones up here, but everywhere else I can see blue tones. Let's see if it'll show up. Like, okay, so do you see what I mean? Like right here, like this is from like the sun coming into my window, and I see like purpley red tones up here by my roots. Like right here, I catch like the red tones, but I do see blue. Like it'll go, I don't know if you could see this, but like I could see like the red purpley tones here, and then like I definitely see like black and blue down here. So I'm not really sure if it's got both tones in it, but for me, I kind of feel like both the lighting is kind of giving me like purple vibes. Like I see purple, like purpley red at the top, and then like the rest of my hair I see blue. I don't know if the camera's picking up what I'm talking about, but like every time my hair moves in the light, I see like right here red. It's not like giving me full dark black vibes, but when I'm over here, it looks jet black, it looks blue. I'm definitely seeing how dark it is, but I don't know, I kind of feel like, in like I said, lighting is everything, but I'm kind of getting like these like red violet tones when it's not. Okay, right here it looks blue and it looks gorgeous, but in different lighting it's just definitely like picking up different tones. I don't mind it because it kind of gives it like a different look. Like one way it looks blue black, and then in a different light it gives you like violet black too. So it's kind of like a two-tone thing, which I've never seen happen in a color before. I've had color not come out right where it's supposed to be like blue black and it looks more like just jet black, or it definitely pulls red more instead of like the cool tones. But I never had a hair color do like both, where it's like a cool tone blue black, but then it seems like it's kind of pulling red to like red violets and stuff as well. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. And I'm hoping you guys can see like what I'm talking about, because I kind of feel like I'm going crazy, where I can see violets and purple and then with like hints of red, but then like in a different look it looks blue black. Like it just is a very pretty color. I definitely think it's really pretty, and it's really dark too. But I just wanted to see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Come on. It's a very beautiful color. Ooh. And I would actually go outside, but it's freezing outside today, so I don't want to like freeze my butt off to see if I could get it to work, but maybe I will. But I did take pictures throughout my house. Like, see, it's in direct sunlight and I feel like I'm picking up red tones. I don't know. Anyways, I'll go outside. I'll take a few pictures in some different angles in the sun and see what I can get tone wise, because like I said, in all the different lighting I've seen throughout my house, I've seen both tones of like red and violet and blue. So like, I don't know. But it's very pretty. And if it does do both, like I don't mind having like red tones in my hair or anything. Like I have naturally red tones, undertones anyways. So like I don't mind it because I think red tones are beautiful. But when I'm coloring my hair like dark jet black or with blue tones, those are what I really look for and what I want to see versus the reds and violets. Until I do the violet blacks and stuff, like then that's what I want to see. That's what I want to find in my hair when I do those. So anyways, I'm going to stop blabbing and rambling on, and I will throw those pictures in of like all the rooms and stuff of where I was in to show you like what my hair looked like in different lighting. And then I will definitely go outside and see what I can get picture wise of what my hair looks like in direct sunlight. And yeah, so anyways, if there's any recommendations that I have missed or haven't done before that you would like me to see or like me to try, if it's a color from like overseas, I'm gonna have a hard time trying to get them, but if it's cheap enough I will buy it and try it. Excuse me. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below what hair color you want me to try next. Once I'm all done with like all these blue blacks, which I don't have many more to do, I'm jumping into violet black. So yeah, so I could try those out for you guys too, because those are highly recommended. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Sorry, I'm like at a bad angle. And and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.